This will be Abide, ABID, all capital letters, number 2. And I didn't mention this before, but I will save it in the Bible folder. Now, I will not go through all that's in here. In fact, I have a special place marked up. But what I'll say, one thing is, when you begin through this, it will explain to you what it has done to use this as the King James and what the features are. It also tells you the contributors who contributed to the making of this Bible right here. And also, every book of also there is a 35-day Bible reading plan, which they have right there. Then when you get to the first part of the Bible itself, it talks about the King James and its purpose and so forth, and all the points of view. Now, every book of the Bible, all the way through has an introduction, which is very good. For example, in Genesis, they'll talk about it here. In Genesis in particular, then they will go into its historical and literary part, which is all very good. Plus, after that, they have what's called prepare. Now, for instance, Genesis can be a challenging read. The entire book, particularly the first 11 chapters, describe the world with which we are largely unfamiliar, etc., etc. So it goes all that to prepare you for actually reading it. But then when you get to Genesis itself, the actual text is there in the middle, as we showed you before, right there in the middle. But you notice on the side, now that's the example we're using. On the side, the first one is called contemplate. Now, what that is talking about is many things, how you can read that and how you meditate on it and how you pray on it and then how you contemplate. Now, each one of those is something that you must do in order to get deeper into the meaning of the scripture in this particular section.